Peel and stick tactile pads are available in a range of colours. They are suitable for internal and external use. If installing on concrete, ensure it has been curing for more than 21 days. If not, or the pads are being installed on asphalt, please see our peel and stick tactile pads with primer video. Measure 300mm from the base of the bottom hazard or from the edge of the top hazard. Tactile should run along the full width of travel. If no obstacle, such as a wall or door, is present within 3 metres, install a 600mm deep pad. If an obstacle is present, install a 300mm deep pad. Draw a line 300mm from the hazard edge using a straight edge and pencil. Peel the paper backing off the tactile pad and place it down so the front edge aligns with the pencil mark. Stick down firmly, pressing along each edge and in the middle. Leave a 1 to 2mm gap between pads for expansion.